Yes, Cookie.
Hello, little friends. Today we are going to learn about national symbols of India. Let's go on a fun journey together. National flag. This is our national flag. It is called the Tiranga, which means three colors. It has saffron on the top, white in the middle, and green at the bottom. In the center, there is a blue wheel called the Ashok Chakra. Next is national animal. The Royal Bengal Tiger is our national animal. It is strong, beautiful, and brave. Next is national bird. The peacock is our national bird. Look at its pretty feathers. It loves to dance when it rains. Next is national flower. The lotus is a national flower. It grows in water and stays clean and beautiful. Next is national fruit. The mango is our national fruit. It is sweet and yummy, the king of fruits. Next is national tree. The banyan tree is our national tree. It gives shades and is home to many animals and birds. Next is national anthem. Our national anthem is called Jan Gan Man. It makes everyone feel proud of our country. So, these are our national symbols. They make India special and remind us to love our country. Say it with me, Jai Hind.
Please like, share and subscribe. Tata.